Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a big project in hand. We're going to be restoring this 65-year-old pickaxe. Todd's going to be working on that.
Nice expander.
Yeah, and I don't know what I'm going to be working on, so we thought we'd bring you guys along with us and have some fun.
Okay, so to get started on this project, we are going to start with the flap disc. We're going to clean this all up, then we're going to move to cleaning up this tip because it's kind of dull, sharpening up this backside, and yeah, we'll go from there.
Okay, so some of you guys are probably wondering what I've been working on, and that is a hammer. I'm going to be using a 1.5 inch in diameter, a round bar. I found it at a train track, so let's get down to it. Okay, that's enough for this heat. Let's actually, yeah, keep going.
It's crazy how much hotter this burner can get though.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's good.
Yeah.
I don't trust this thing.
We couldn't up getting metal that hot.
Yeah.
Used to be.
Yeah, I'm ready. We'll get there.
Now that.
Oh gosh. Okay, yeah, that's probably good for this heat.
Well, we still made basically a lot more progress than
Yeah. I
last
broke
time.
another hammer though.
start out with that check.
Oh, it's getting warm.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this again. That's 2. How's it coming?
Looks good.
Probably down.
Here, I've got the.
Okay.
Oh!
Wow. Holy cow. Okay, that's good for this heat. Oh, sorry, it's such a problem grabbing it.
Well, that's what happened.
Oh! That would do
That's
it.
why it started slipping.
Here, let's hold it, bring it to the anvil. Let's grab a center punch and mark on the other side. So flip it over.
Oh, yeah.
No, on the anvil.
Yeah?
We're gonna mark it on the other side.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I think it broke the tip off. It stuck in there, heated it up, and then.
Oh no.
Oh.
This time.
Got plugged up. There it is.
Okay, flip it over. I just wanted to mark it.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe 1 or 2 more hits.
Yeah.
That is getting close. I did not think that we would be coming close on this thing for a very long time.
Yeah. Oh, we're through. Almost. See that little knock?
I think so, yeah, I think that's all.
We made it through! Oh, we're not through. That's the mark in the middle. Okay, let's flip it over.
Yeah, the problem is slipping right there a little bit here and there.
I got it. Here. Side. Oh, come on!
Wiggle it.
Let's put it on this side. This cheek.
Nice.
There we go.
Okay, now that we've got the head cleaned up, it's time to clean up the handle and give it a nice burnt finish. And there you have it. One pickaxe, nice and restored. Cleaned up the blade, got that nice and sharp. Back part nice and sharp. Gave the handle a nice spot burnt finish. There we go. 60-year-old pickaxe looks like new.
Look at our forge, it looks like the sun. This is amazing. Okay, so while Todd's been doing his pickaxe, I'm gonna melt some platinum. I've been cooking up some platinum, so let me get it poured. platinum.
That is hot. That is some molten copper.
There we go.
You guys recognize these? That's right, it's the hammers. Had some handle problems for a little while, so I'm gonna put on some new handles for the next project I'm doing today. I'm gonna just use the old handle for the cross beam, or at least I'm gonna attempt it. But I think it should work out pretty well. Just get another pressure fit and wedge in there. The cross beam's gonna need an entirely new handle, so let's get some handle material. This is done pretty good. Fits pretty well. Time to pressure fit it in after I get a wedge made. Okay, let's get this wedge in, shall we? Okay, so we got this handle attached, got the wedge in nicely. The camera died on us, so you didn't get to see that, sorry. But yeah, now we just gotta clean up the top of this. Probably not gonna get to the cross beam today. That'll be a project for another day for one of us. But yeah, let's get this cleaned up. Just like that, this hammer is restored to its former glory, and we got a nice handle on it.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video on how we restored some stuff just today in the shop. I made some Nordic gold, this little pendant. I also was able to make a big twisted piece of metal for a future project. And halfway through drifting this big hammer.
Got the pickaxe foot down back together, as you guys saw. And yeah, nice little handle back on one of our hammers, so.
Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. You know the drill. See you next time, guys.